Hello, my name is Davinder and I am working in a team for my master's project of iTech 7415, and our project name is Online Ordering and Driver Platform System. In my project, it has been proposed in regard to the COVID-19 pandemic. As we know that due to the situation there has been difficulty in logistics and supply. So the project would provide the system designed for ordering various categories of products such as fashion, baby, electronics, restaurant, health and beauty for users as client, which would be one platform, while another platform would aid the users as a driver to register with the type of vehicle feasible to them. And we are working as a team of 4 members in this, and my teammates are Sainath, Manpreet, and Vimsadar Reddy Yedula, and the client details are Nasir Muhammad. And well, this sprint started on 28th of August, and it's going to finish today at 4th of September. Then the user stories and completion status. Regarding the user stories and the completion status, the various tasks that are being in the user stories, and we have nearly 17 tasks, and out of that we have completed nearly 13 tasks, and 3 of them are in still pending status. So we have identified that most of tasks took 1 hour to 4 hours. What we have also identified, the most of time was taken by the delivery, except pickup and status update as a delivery guide, that was 7 hours. Next is the as-is model. As-is model is very beneficial model that would help any organization to identify the what has been there in system. And as we know, if we know what is already in the system, we can make the improvements in the system in this way. So in order to save money for the organization, in order to improve the processes, in order to serve the customers effectively, we can include this thing in our model in our project. When then is the scenarios where we can use as-is model are like if business has customers where they are super confused on how to successfully order a product. If it is known that there are issues present in the current model which have been reported by the employees or customers, if the organization is interested to make the whole process automated, if the procedures being followed in the organization isn't documented properly, if the organization wanted to create an active business model, if the organization want to cut down on the cost of manufacturing, these are some scenarios where we can use the as-is model. Like for the project, there is a relevancy of the as-is model, and we have decided to include it in our project. And then is the business process re-engineering is very important concept in the any project, because it helps to modify the existing system, the ways to design the system. Then we can use the current process structure, and also by giving the BPM and the desired output is able to come up with a solution or model that can be beneficial both for the customer and the organization. And we have roughly designed the BPM and diagram. We still need some modification in this diagram. It roughly states the customer places the order and the order is confirmed from the warehouse, then packing is done, the product is packed, and shipment labels are being attached. Then it goes to the 2 ways, like it can go either way. Either it's moved, if all good, then it's moved for parcel to the loading area, otherwise the quality of packing is being assessed. Once that is done, the products are being loaded into the truck, and then after that there are series of activities that goes on, like updating the order status, restocking the inventory, and sending the delivery instructor to the driver. And all these activities are done, then an order is well, regarding the individual component, I would state that there are some accomplishments being made during the project, such as understanding on the design diagram properly, learned how the basic idea about the project in the real life scenario starting from the team formation, application of stream specific knowledge to my project, completed successfully the business process re-engineering and professional research in communication subject. So I have the basic idea about how to draw the diagrams and how to execute the projects. Learning from the past is brings that there has been proper formulation of the diagrams such as BPM and diagrams, gain the knowledge regarding the project schedule with proper allocation of activities such as Gantt chart. Then the improvements we are looking forward in the next project is like proper time management, like which is asset for the project success. We'll focus on that, and performance can also like we'll try to improve by doing the more in-depth research. Thanks for watching.